1, 2, 3.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make these. I will be putting all the apps I use in my description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is type in Nudekay, N-U-D-E-K-A-Y. And then go ahead and click on the first one. You see, right there. Okay, so I don't know if people know this, but right here in the right corner, you could push English or Japanese. So if you want to do English, then you push English. Or if you want to keep it as Japanese, then go ahead and leave it. So here at the dice, you could click it and either randomize your character or push reset all so you could start from scratch. And now, I'm just going to start customizing my character. Okay, when you're finished customizing your character, you're going to go over here in that left area of the picture and you're going to go ahead and push complete. And this one takes a second to load, so yeah. And then I'm going to go ahead and push image download. And I like to push it 2 times just to make sure that it's actually there. So now I'm just going to double click that on the bottom and to make sure it's all good. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and open a new tab and you're going to search up in Paint. And this is what you're going to use to get rid of the watermark. So push the first one and then you're going to go ahead and push upload image and go ahead and upload your image. Okay, so once you upload your image, it should automatically take you here, and I'm just going to zoom in closer to the watermark so I can really get it good, and I'm just going to start erasing the words. Okay, so to erase it, you just push done on the side. I forgot to mention that before. Anyways, I'm going to go back. When you're finished, go over here on the right corner and push download. So you could download your image and push download low. Okay, now I just like to pop it up to make sure that it's actually there again. And then you're going to want to open a new tab and type in Pixlr E. And then push the first one and open image, I'm sorry. Okay, so again, once you upload your image, it should automatically go there. And now I'm just going to go to where I want to fill in, over here where the watermark was. Okay, on the side over here where all the brushes and stuff are, you're going to go ahead and choose Picker. Right there, it has like a little circle at the top of the pen thing. And you're going to want to choose your color. I'm going to go ahead and choose this color so I could trace it. And then you're going to want to choose color. And then over here at the brush, you don't want it to be that big, so you're going to go ahead and change it to 4. You could change it to 3-2 for thinner lines and 4 for bigger lines. Okay, so now I'm just going to start tracing it over. Okay guys, so once you are finished editing your person, you're going to go ahead and go to the left top corner and go ahead and press file. And then once you press file, just go down to save. And you're going to go ahead and push download. But if you choose to change your name, you could. I decided to change my name and I changed it to Sweetie so I know where it is and it'll be easier to find it. And then you're just going to push download and it should be saved to your computer after you've done that. If not, then just download it again. Anyways, so yeah. Okay, and here's the finishing touch. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, have a nice day or night, whatever time zone you're in.